This is LeetCode Roman to integer, and in this question we have to convert a Roman numeral into an integer. And the only tricky thing here is we have to account for the case where a Roman numeral can be placed before another and actually make it smaller. So for example, I before v and x makes 4 and 9. Okay, first thing we'll do is define a symbol hash. So for example, I goes to 1, IV goes to 4, V goes to 5. And there's our full hash here. Now let's define our integer, and this is what we'll return. And our index here, which is I. So while I is less than the length of the string, first we need to check if the next two characters are in this symbol hash, because we could have IV, we could have IX, etc. So we need to check for those cases first. So what we'll say is toVal equals symbol hash dot get. So from the current index to I plus 2. So this will get the value in the hash of the next two characters. Now, if that value is there, then we're going to just add it to our integer, and then we add 2 to our index. Now, if the value is not there, then we add just the symbol hash at the character, and then we add 1 to our index. And then at the end, we just return integer. So there you go. That's really all there is to it. We just have to account for the toVal case first. So if you found this helpful, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you next time.